In today's video, I am going to teach you step by step how to add time text to your Facebook story. But first, welcome to my channel, the Parisi Pack. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I am the leader of the Parisi Pack. It is my private coaching community on Facebook. I love helping busy moms grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that actually work. If you like what you're hearing, hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell to get notified when new videos are released. Let's dive into this.
So I'm opening up Facebook and I'm gonna go add to story. Okay. And so I'm picking this story out. We just went to the beach. I love the beach. And so you can see I'm zooming in and zooming out using my two fingers because I want it to fill the vertical space. So now that I have it filling the vertical space, I'm going to hit the text button and I'm going to start typing. And when you start typing, you can see that there's this little clock at the top and it says set duration. So I'm going to write out my happy place because I love the beach. And I'm going to make this, add an emoji in, show some love. I'm going to look at some different colors here because I want it to be darker and stand out. And then I'm going to have this timed. If you hit it and you hit that clock button, it's going to let you adjust when the text appears. So I want this to just pop up right at the beginning. And you can see I'm adjusting it there at the bottom. Super simple. And then you just click that text button again and you can add more. And it's kind of obvious, but I'm going to still write the beach. I want to be crystal clear. Trying out different colors, see which one I like. Once I find the color I like, I think I'm going with teal. I am going to enlarge that, put that at the top. So I'm going to set the duration, and you can see I'm going to space it here so it pops up right as that happy place disappears. Because again, the key with time text is that you can intrigue your watcher, your viewer, to watch longer, which is awesome. More time in your story, right? And then I'm going to ask, what's yours? To be engaging. Since it's time text, it's a little bit different, but I might get some replies. So I'm going to make that a bold color. And then for this one, I am going to have the what's yours. You'll see me click on it here. I'm going to adjust that to the very end of my story. So it's going to pop up right as the beach goes away, enlarging it. And so maybe some people will engage with it. And there you have it. My happy place, the beach, and then what's yours pops up. So time text is a pretty cool little trick that you can do. And now I can share this to my story. You can see what's going on. Now I want to show you how to make a business type time text story. And I'm going to show you how I do this with a tutorial. It's super cool. It's a little bit advanced, but you can do it too. So here's a story that I made using time text to show how to do something to my viewer. And this one specifically is how to turn on and off group notifications. I really love it because it's pure attraction marketing. My initial text, how to turn on off group notifications, remains up the entire time so people get what I'm teaching them. And then it's step by step. I'm using the arrows and the time text to show what steps a person needs to do to turn on and off their group notifications. So I want you to think how you could use time text to teach your viewer in less than 26 seconds how to do something while watching your story. So this could be applying a makeup product or a cool highlight of an article of clothing or jewelry that you sell, or a reason or the benefits of a CBD oil. There are so many different ways that you could use time text to highlight your product. And that's it. How to add time text to your Facebook story.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're looking for other videos on Facebook stories, I've made how to add a mood to your Facebook story, how to boost your story engagement, and do your story suck? Why people are swiping off your story. Make sure to check out those videos. Also, I'm currently running a Facebook challenge. It is called Create Stories That Sell, and that is exactly what I teach you. It is a free 5-day challenge, and I'd love to have you be a part of it. I teach you how to never run out of content for your Facebook stories, how to be consistent and always having a story up, how to share about your product, how to share about your opportunity, and also new story updates, including animation. Cannot wait to teach you how to create stories that sell. If you want to be in on this challenge, check out the comments. I'm going to pin the link to join the challenge to the top comment. If you have any story questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day.
Are you looking to grow your influence and your profits online? Then grab your spot in the Parisi Pack, my private coaching community. You can find the Parisi Pack on Facebook.